Hello everyone, welcome to TU Delft. My name is Jie Yang, and you can see Ujjwal Gadiraji and Heqiang Huben on the screen.
Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal. Welcome to the Web Information Systems Group.
Hello, I'm Heqiang. Welcome to Delft.
Ujjwal and I are assistant professors at the Web Information Systems Group, so the WIS group, in the Software Technology Department.
And I'm a full professor, and I have the privilege to lead this group. And I'm very proud of the successes and the fun we're having with the WS group in research and education.
Our group has many other members, and together we do exciting research in the web domain. We study how to represent and capture properties of users, such as their interests as well as their intents, in order to provide adaptive and personalized recommendations or other services to them. We also look at web data processing and retrieval. And within this area of research, we look at how to efficiently process data at web scale and design effective information retrieval mechanisms for domain-specific web tasks. Finally, we also look at human-enhanced web systems. And within this area of research, we look at what are the effective ways to augment web-based systems with automated large-scale human computation and interaction. In the following, we'll have the WIS faculty members share with you a little bit more about these topics in detail.
Hello, I am Christoph.
And this is Asterios.
And both of us are Delta, the data management team of the WIS group. You might already know us from our widely popular bachelor lecture on information and data management. And of course, we would also be happy to be with you in your master's degree.
Now, in our research, we cover the full data management cycle, from the moment that dirty raw data is produced from sources all over the place, to the moment that data is gathered, cleaned, and needs to be semantically annotated.
Our research includes data engineering, data integration, stream processing, metadata management, and also query processing.
And the problems I love to tackle are issues of scalability. Basically, how can we process vast amounts of data in a scalable manner using hundreds or even thousands of machines? And basically, how do we do this in real time?
On the other hand, I love to work on data semantics. So what does data mean and how can we make it more useful? Therefore, the both of us combined can cover nearly the full data lifecycle. We would love to see you in one of our lectures and seminars, or maybe the master thesis. See you then.
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. I'm here again to tell you a little bit about the Kappa Lab and the work we do in crowd computing and human-centered AI. Our team comprises of Jay, myself, and Alessandro Boton from the IDE department. We look into how people can work efficiently and effectively together with algorithms in order to solve complex tasks that go beyond the capabilities of machines. This is important since crowd computing has emerged as a building block of data-driven AI systems today. Jay is now going to tell us a little bit about human computing for AI.
So in human computing for AI, we study how to involve humans in the computational process to build reliable and trustworthy AI. And why is this important? Well, AI systems today are running everywhere, but they are prone to errors, making it hard to adopt such systems in critical domains like health and in applications with profound impact on the society like information filtering. And in this topic, we study how to enable and engage humans to create knowledge to augment AI systems and to explain and evaluate the results.
In addition to this, we also look into human-AI interaction, and within this research agenda, we address how one can harness the virtues of AI in a manner that's actually beneficial and useful to people. Research topics include normative aspects of human-AI interaction, the dissonance between humans and machines, as well as understanding the impact of algorithmic decision-making on human decision-making itself. Thanks a lot, and we look forward to working with you.
The research at Lambda Lab centers around information retrieval, which is an area that is concerned with finding materials, usually documents of unstructured nature, in our case text, that satisfies a particular information need of a user. And typically, we have huge corpora that we're dealing with, like the web. Now, the research lines within this area of information retrieval are quite broad, and we typically also employ techniques from data science and natural language processing. Now, to give you two examples of what we're actually doing, let me first point to SearchX, which is an open source collaborative search system that we have been building in the group and that we use for all kinds of collaborative search as well as conversational search experiments. And we're always looking for additional contributors to this toolkit. Secondly, here's an example of another recent piece of research, and that is concerned with the diagnosis of neural information retrieval models. So what do these deep models learn? Once we know that, can we make use of that to fix more traditional models that do not require millions of parameters? If you're interested, check out the website of Lambda Lab.
Welcome. My name is Markus Specht. I'm a professor for digital education and learning at the Web Information Systems Group. And I'm also working with the 4TU Center for Engineering Education and the Leiden Delft Erasmus Center for Education and Learning. So as you might guess from the name, the topics we look into in our research are digital education and learning and all related. Currently, our topics mainly look at using AI technologies in education, so supporting different skill developments from learning writing to learning programming and coding, helping learners with dashboards or feedback based on machine learning or other assessment methods. We also do multimodal projects, so for example, using pens and sensor technologies for supporting handwriting acquisition or reading on tablets and digital devices and giving feedback to learners. Other type of projects more look into new types of content and interaction, so either having conversations with chatbots or conversational interfaces for learning purposes using mobile devices, or also augmented and virtual reality, where we currently run projects either using holograms for new forms of interaction, or also just build on existing platforms where we have the TU Delft campus in Minecraft and can build on that and create new projects and prototypes based on that. A lot of the work we do is about using data for assessment, personalization, and reflection, so individualized support for students. So if you got interested, we're doing that together, and there's a lot more to explore with the 4TU Center for Engineering Education and the Leiden Delft Erasmus Center for Education and Learning. So explore the websites, come to our website. If you got interested, just contact us. Thanks a lot and see you there.
Thank you for listening. At WIS, we're happy to welcome you and work with you. So contact us if you want to learn more.
Yes, if you'd like to know more, you can always contact me. We all hope to see you soon.